Hey everybody, April here again, and I'm doing another fall Halloween themed pour. So I've got both because I found this really awesome wooden leaf that I want to pour on, and I found this little tiny coffin, and it has hardware that came with it. I took that off so I can pour over top of this, but it's super cute, and I thought I would maybe do something like this and pour on both of them and tilt it around and then separate them. That way they'll kind of match. So I figure we'll see how that goes. I don't know which one I want to do first. I think I might do a flip cup on both of these. So I don't need a whole lot of paint, obviously, on this one because it's small. This one's thick though. I want to make sure the sides get covered. So I might pour an extra amount of paint on that. We'll see here. Do this one first. Okay, so I gessoed this so that it would hopefully, the paint wouldn't soak in quite so badly. Let's see here. So let that set for a second. And then let's see what we get. Oh, I like this already. Oh yeah, this is gonna be messy no matter what I do. This is already cool though. I will say that. Oh, it's dripping down the back of my hand. Oh, gross. It just feels so gross. And then we're gonna do this. I might paint the sides black, to be honest. I don't know. All right. Oh, I didn't plan this very well, did I? See if I can get some of the paint off the side there. Oh, guys, look what I did. I can't even, like... Yep. Okay. So now we can do this one. This cup looks really cool though. All right. I don't know if I want to flip. I don't think I want to flip cup this, or do I? Nope. You know what? Well, Nope. I think I'm gonna go. Okay. So that definitely looks cool. Definitely a lot of paint. I like it though. Like, I like this a lot. This is awesome looking. This is awesome. Okay, so first, check these out. Hopefully they will dry like this because I love them and I can't wait to be able to put them together to see what they look like, because that is just cool. And then this came out fantastic. I'm actually very, very pleased with this. We got some cells popping up. We got this beautiful bronze on here. I'm actually very, very, very pleased. Trying to not be in my shadow and not have the glare at the same time. Look at how pretty that is. I love this part. Hopefully too much of this doesn't slide off the sides. There's a lot of paint sitting on top. I'm gonna cover these with a net so no bugs fall in them. And hopefully they'll dry good. We'll see. So anyway, thanks for watching. I had fun. Hopefully there will be another Halloween treat at some point. I don't know if there will be, but we'll see. Until then, I will see you next time.